Delhi. What is the first picture that pops up in your brains when you think of this place? A concrete jungle, fostering multinational companies and monuments, mouth-watering street foods, and a constantly buzzing social life. But amongst this gyre of the stereotypical Delhi image, it's easy to overlook its natural beauty, exotic ecosystems, and numerous quaint sites which serve as the perfect location for those who are into hiking, walking, and cycling. Here is the list of the top 7 places where you can go for cycling in Delhi. This is a downhill trail which gives new cyclists the boost they need. The rich forests around the route will add more beauty and cool ambience to your journey. If you're looking for an easy pedaling route in an exotic environment, this is just the perfect place. This is a large stretch and a common route amongst walkers, runners, cyclists and skaters. Thus crowd is inevitable. This is just the right place for slow cyclists and those who want to enjoy the local city life and glide through the capital city. This forest is located inside the Qutub Institutional Area. The region is ironically located in the heart of the concrete city. There are numerous tracks in the region for cycling. You can find watchtowers for climbing to get a greater view of the area. The gravel tracks make it easier to pedal and thus it is recommended for amateurs too. This region is located a little away from Delhi on the route from Dwarka to Haryana. From the wetland to the drain, you can find a long stretch of green region for cyclists who love nature. The place is completely filled with birds of all kinds. If you're choosing winter, you can find numerous migratory birds in this route. This is another off-road trail which is rocky, winding and rough. It is for intermediate level of mountain bikers. It is a serene forest region for peaceful cycling experience. You can find many small animals and birds in this region during early morning. This one is for those who love to speed up. This is one long straight road with not much diversions or rough terrain. The route is smooth and easy to pedal. If you want to challenge your speed limit, this is just the right place. This park is located in Gurugram, a little outside Delhi. This route is mostly downhill and easy to travel for beginners. You can always find many cyclists choosing this route. Many locals also choose to spend their weekends here.